What's up, everybody? How y'all doing again today? Hey, listen, really quickly, please ignore my grass because it is an absolute mess and I gotta mow it again, and it grew way too goddamn fast. But as promised, I'm gonna give you guys an unboxing of some of my favorite parts to date. All right, guys, and here are my... That doesn't look right. Let me fix this. There it goes. Alright guys, this is the BRAUM interior that I've been promising everybody. I got like 75 questions about where these seats were. Truth is, the first ones I ordered were on back order and we're gonna take several months to come in, so I just canceled that order and I ordered a new set. I'll save the seats for last. And we'll go through things that you've probably already seen. So, first things first, a box in a box. These are the harnesses I'm gonna run. They're just basic 4-point harnesses, blacked out BRAUM logos. I wanna make this video quick, guys. So, I'll just leave these in there. These are the planted seat brackets, specifically for the Acura TL. But if you haven't seen one, here it is. They both look the same. Passenger side and driver side. This right here is my harness bar. I haven't looked at it in months, to be honest, so I don't remember what color it was. Space gray. But basically, I'll leave this in the box. But it is powder coated space gray. I'll just open it up like that for you guys. Last but not least, I'm sure the biggest thing you guys clicked on this video for, these are my new BRAUM. Not so light when they're tight in the box.
That's what he said.
I believe these are the Falcon series. Fully reclinable.
It's like a kid on Christmas.
It really is. This is one expensive Christmas. No, I'm not sponsored.
What is it called? BRAUM? BRAUM?
So these,
BRAUM?
well, this in general.
Sponsor us.
This is my new full BRAUM racing interior. Passenger, driver seat, harness bar, harnesses, seat brackets, planted seat brackets, and then also, as you guys know, we have a spare headliner. I'm going to be doing the headliner, be doing the door cards differently, and see what I do about the rear seats. But voila! So guys, these are the seats I've been waiting months for. I got them on pre-order before they were even released, and I probably got them maybe a couple days after they shipped. So this is what I'm going to be running in my car. I can't wait to test them out. Of course, after I get the car running properly, because maintenance first, you know. Anyways, let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think of the new interior, and please, 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 if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and just stay tuned for what's next to come with the build, because I got a lot of different things coming up and a lot of plans that you guys just don't know about yet, but it's all happening, so it's gonna come to you very fast. Anyways, like, subscribe, comment what you think down below, and we'll catch you on the next one.